Hi, this is Loran Swenson with AO Scan, and welcome to another video in our instructional video series. In this video, we're going to talk about the function that's built into the comprehensive program called Analyze. So let's double click on our icon, and we've got our client loaded in, and we have our technician set. We're going to go right into the program of comprehensive. You see the client on the bottom and the technician, and we're going to scan the heart. So click the heart and we're going to hit scan. Now as it goes through, it's going to do a normal scan on the heart. And what we want to do is be able to find the appropriate supplement to help the heart. So here we are. Here's the information on the heart. We can see that we've got some issues here. We're going to go to Analyze, and so it's saying right up here, comprehensive file heart. We're going to check it for an appropriate supplement. Now we have supplements that are preloaded, and you can click on those, and there's all the different supplements in that category. Oils, whatever the supplements are. But let's say that the category is not here, because we have supplements that are not loaded into categories. And let's just say we want to check and see, is vitamin C going to help? So we type in vitamin C, and if it's in the database, then it will scan it. Now what it will do, as soon as we hit Analyze, it'll take the frequency for vitamin C and compare it to the condition of the heart for this client, and it will tell us, okay, it'll benefit 0 to 100%, and the stress it will cause on the body 0 to 100%, and then it will give us a conclusion if the supplement is good for this condition. So let's hit Analyze, and there's scanning vitamin C, scanning the body for stress, and it's saying, okay, 91% helpful. There's a 26% stress on the body, but it's a 5, and 5 is ideal. So anything really 3 to 7 is worth taking. But really, what you really want is a 4, 5, or a 6. And so right there, we know in just a few seconds if this supplement is going to help the condition of the heart for this client. It's a great way. I mean, I know a lot of people use muscle testing and other methods to do it and maybe be a little faster. The reason that we put this in is for those who are not comfortable with doing a muscle test, or their knowledge of supplements and the client maybe isn't as good as, seasoned practitioners, and it takes the human element out of it, the biases. And so this is why this particular module is added to your thing. And you can go through every single thing that you've done and through the different categories and find the supplements that are going to be the best for the condition that we're analyzing. Again, so this is for this individual, for the condition listed here for today. And that's what it has to be got. You have to look at. Now, it might come up where it comes up. Well, let's reset that, and let's put in vitamin D. And Analyze. Now this comes up. It's only 15% going to be helpful for the heart, 22% stress on the body, and for the heart it's a 2. So you would not want to use or suggest that they use a vitamin D. So it shows you both, and it's totally unbiased. So the beauty of this is the client can see that you have no influence on how this determines whether a supplement is good or bad. Again, for those of you who are really proficient in muscle testing, this may not be what you want to use. But for those of you who are not and are still a little uncertain of how to suggest supplements, here's a nice little module to help you do that. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.